Good morning, everyone. We're supposed to have a front come through later today and some showers pop up and a little bit of a cool down over the weekend, and I am so ready for all of that. Won't be watering anything this morning because number one, I don't think it needs it, and number two, if we're going to get rain, I sure don't want to do that. You see the swallowtail down there by the bird bath? Very nice. Meeting Michelle for shopping just a little later than normal, like 11:15 or something. Johnny's going to come. Connor's going to be there. It's going to be a good time. Hey, Gray. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey. How's my girl this morning? How's my gray girl this morning? Hi, Sweet Pea. It's a good girl. Hi. They're waiting on me. I'm not late this morning. Hi. Stripes slept at my feet, having to watch not to get his tail in the door. The entire night without moving, like 6 hours, he didn't move one time. I say that because he was, when I went to sleep and when I woke up, he was in exactly the same spot. Hey, Morris. Good morning, buddy. Here comes Mart, I'm sure. No, you had enough food in the house. You're not galloping to get up there this morning. Hi, Stripe. Hi, Bud. Oh, that's my good boy. That's my good boy. There goes Marty. I wasn't thinking he was going to hold off too long. Well, the fence is coming along. I'm about to have a meltdown over the amount of trash left, but maybe by the end of the project they'll pick it up. I'm the person that when I had my house built in Willow Springs, almost every day I went to the house, even brought a shop vac with me, and cleaned the job site every day. It just drove me nuts. They would nails all over the ground and everything. I just couldn't stand it. So just to put it in perspective, I guess I'm not built like other people. Still enjoying our pretty crepe myrtles. I really like this fuchsia color. Nice contrast against the cloudy sky. Now I can't believe they were thinking about watering the grass. But that's what that looks like. Guess we'll see. I mean, they're talking about enough rain to cause flash floods tonight and tomorrow. Well, there's the camp kids. I'm guessing there's 20 or 25 of them over there. So that's a pretty valuable child care for the community in the summertime, I'd say. The park was a mess today. Lots of trash in the parking lot around the splash pad. Somebody had him a cigar party over at the basketball court, and the fence guys have a disaster over there. You couldn't tell from the video, but we'll wait till they're done and then we'll go in and get what they don't. Hopefully when they're done, they'll do right by the project. And we've got a little over a mile and a little over 30 minutes, so we're good. I think I said we're meeting Michelle just a little later today. Connor's in driver's ed this week, and he gets out at 11 over at the Willow Spring High School. So as soon as she picks him up, then they're going to head to Guardian Angel. So I'm shooting to get there at 11:15 instead of 10:30, which means 10:45. Hang on. Well, I'm not slow. The camera's slow. My glasses, I got out of the car. I can't see. My glasses fogged up. Oh. And Johnny's here waking up too. Just noticed that you have a black cat in sunflowers. It says Sunflowers 3rd version 1888 because the cat keeps knocking the vase off the table. That is so cute. And Connor's jacket, he's added to it and got stuff. Universal Studios Horror Nights last fall. Okay.
Had a whole punk theme.
I not, because every once in a while we forget and they crack because they get frozen, and also easier for me and Dawn to read. It looks like it's an official Lego table. They've only got $20 on it. You know, the Legos go in the middle. Would have been great for preschool. I don't know what the holes would have been for. What would you have done with holes for Lego? A hummingbird is pretty. Have no place to put it, but I like it. Does your baby need that?
I have one at home, but God only knows where I put it.
I understand. Ours got destroyed at some point. I was laughing at this washcloth and asked everybody if we should wanted to wash our face with a giraffe. How does this thing work? It's like a bikini top that's jeweled. I don't know. The number of dolls that end up here is, I guess, expected, but pretty amazing. Her gown is, yeah. Michelle has picked out a snake and a book that has pull-out tabby things of the body. It's got some very interesting things inside of it. It even beats. Yes, with the music in the background, we can still hear it beating. And then, who would this be? Well, Dawn would never break my heart, but don't go breaking my heart, baby. Not practical, but what a pretty piece of furniture. I love that. I do that. It has a key. They got 169 on it. There's what it looks like down below. Very pretty. And yes, Todd Rundgren is playing in the background, and we're singing when we're not talking. That's so pretty. I love the rounded glass. Is expensive. Easy enough to refelt in red. I would just refelt it in red. For being good, Connor and Johnny have parked on a couch.
Thank God for, their phones.
Yeah, exactly. I had to check this out because it looks a little bit like the owl that you see on the reservations when you put in a Tesla order, but it's not. And it's not 3D printed either. It's actually got some substance to it. The rack's getting a little thin. They got to be close to bringing out. Racks are getting a little light. I'm thinking they got to be bringing out fall really soon. It feels too hot to buy long sleeves yet, but it's coming. So we finally made the time to stop in at Little Portugal next to Guardian Angel, and this is homemade potato salad, and this is a ribeye sandwich. And someone over here who shall remain nameless ordered an entire chicken, but he's taking some home to his sister.
Wink, wink.
And Michelle has what I have, except for she got the salad, and Johnny's got pork cutlets coming.